Nah, this is not your regular spikes, guys. It's not your regular spikes. I'm sorry. It's not your regular spikes. Can you see series of spikes from our entry? From our entry, I gave this signal to the VIP from our entry. Series of spikes, guys. We're in deep profits. We're in deep profits. Look at that. Look at the 30 minutes time frame. Look at the 4 hours time frame. What? What the? Bro, look at that. This is the 4 hours time frame. This is a good sign that markets will be going down for a very long time. Come on, I got it right, bro. I got it right. I told you it's not just about adding indicator on your chart. It's not just about adding indicators on your chart. You need to do something. You need to stay on in the market, like hold a position for a very long time to get more money, like to get more profit. Because we've been suffering in this market too. I don't know about you. Me, I've been wasting money in this market. So when I get opportunity like this, any opportunity like this, I make sure that I maximize everything. I get more profits from extract more money from the market. All right. So in this video, I'll show you guys what I did, how I could get that move, that's entry. Okay. I could get the entry. I'll show you guys, explained everything perfectly well for you guys to do the same. Okay. So if you're seeing my video for the first time, see my channel for the first time, you've not subscribed, please subscribe already, because what you're about to experience now will change your life, your trading career for real. And check other videos, watch most of my videos. And when you're watching my video, I'll advise you. They say that forex is a scam, and some people says that people that comes up here on YouTube don't give out the real knowledge. But I don't think it's so. It's because some people that comes here to watch videos like this, strategies like this, they come with the mindset that we cannot give them the real knowledge, the actual knowledge. Okay. So because of that, having that mindset alone will stop you from learning what you're supposed to learn. You think they are just here to get subscribers, to get money from your views. I don't think it's just that. Some people are actually giving out the real knowledge, the real skill, the secrets of trading. All right. So if you are seeing my video for the first time, smash the like button, subscribe, share this video, drop some good comments, and also check the description box to join my free Telegram channel. All right. Let's not waste time. Let's dive in. So as usual, we move to a higher time frame. I've given my people this signal. I know they love it. Crash 1000. Crazy guy. I love Crash 1000. It's very crazy. Moves really fast. When it spikes, I feel sorry for you if you are against the spike. All right, so we are in a downtrend. I love doing this. We are in a downtrend. This is a downtrend. I don't know what you're saying. You might say market has broken this level, so it's be going up. Yeah, it has broken that zone. It might be going up, but at least there should be a correction back to this point. So I'll show you guys everything you need to know so that you equally do the same thing when you see market giving you printing or giving you this kind of chart pattern whatsoever just did to get this move. So the first thing, you move to your higher time frame. Due to time, I will not want to go to the daily time frame, but if you check the daily time frame, we are still in a downtrend. We are still in a downtrend. All right. Then if you look to the left, you see some structures. We have this place where market reversed before. Let's check again if you had market around that zone. Beautiful. So look at that. Amazing. We have reversals on this zone. So many on this zone. Right. So many on this zone. So guys, the academy is on. We just started our first session yesterday. You want to join to learn more about how to do this stuff, I'm always there. So now we see that we have market is on a very key zone on the daily time frame. So the daily time frame give you the bigger picture. So market is on the higher time, a strong zone on the daily, strong supply zone on the daily time frame. Okay. So because of that, we will be looking for selling opportunity because Remember, I told you in one of my videos I posted recently that whenever we have a strong breakout from a strong zone, a strong breakout from a strong zone, there should be a correction. Market will pull back to that zone to respect that zone, confirm this zone as a resistance or a supply before dropping again. So this is what the market is doing. It's going up to that point that's got broken to respect that zone, and it will be going back down because it's a strong downtrend. Now we've gotten this information. We are trying to build a story around that. Okay. So now after doing this, knowing that market has broken a strong zone on the daily time frame and uh, has done the correction, then you'll be looking for an entry. But then you have to go down to your 4 hours time frame. When you get to your 4 hours time frame, you want to see identify the structure completely because daily time frame will not reveal some structures for you to know what to do. Okay. But when you come down to like 4 hours time frame, 1 hour time frame, it will reveal the structure completely for you to know exactly what to do. Now, look at this. This is the structure we have here. We have the down bearish structure, a swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high, and a swing low. So market going up to this point again. Now you'll be wondering, we had the last swing high here. What is happening? Why is market going up here? And why am I selling? You need to know your advanced market structure. Advanced market structure, not just your basic regular market structure. You need to know your advanced market structure. That will tell you or explain this thing perfectly well. If I bring any of my students here, they will show you exactly what I'm saying and they will analyze and we get the same entry every time, bro. Every time. I have so many testimonies. Just in 2 weeks' time, they are good and they know what to do. They know how to analyze the market perfectly well, just like the way I'm doing now, or even better. Yeah. So now we've gotten the structure. We are in the downtrend. This is a bearish structure, completely confirmed. It's a bearish structure. Then after getting your bearish structure, what else do? You move again to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, you want to see the high. Look at that. That's our high, our supply level. So on this supply level, we want to see pressure. If there is pressure here, of course, definitely we can see that obviously there's a massive pressure here, strong bearish pressure around this zone, strong bearish pressure around this zone, right? So once you see that, you know that this is a key supply. This is where those guys are. This is their footprints. They've printed the footprints here. You know the markets will be dropping because you can see this massive rejection. You can see another rejections here. That means there's a pressure here, a bearish pressure here. That means this way those guys are hiding. That's your key supply zone. Beautiful. As simple as that. Now you know that when once market gets to this point, there's every tendency that markets will be reversing to do at least a correction back to a key block, a strong block like what we have here, maybe to a strong block like this one here, right? It's likely coming down to this block. So you see, as simple as that. Though there are some other things you still need to put into consideration, but then we knowing this alone can still be winning markets and making good profits. It can be 60% good if you keep practicing what I'm doing now. All right, back to back. Trust me, trading should be simple. You need to keep it very, very simple. All right, when you keep it simple, you know exactly what you're doing. But when you start adding so many things, you want to know this one, want to know that one, you're confusing yourself altogether. All right, it will make it very complex, and what's gonna happen will be leaving you very, very confused to a point that you don't even know how to manage your trade. Because when you're trading cup and handle, um, spoon, double top, double bottom, head and shoulders, the moon, you're trading all those stuffs. What's gonna happen is that you'll be confused because sometimes there's a way two chart pattern will reveal, like will be printed on a chart, the same current price, and you'll be so confused. So, for you to be a bit free from those distraction, I think you need to keep it very simple. If you trade one or two catalysts, that's awesome. you'll be more profitable. You'll be more profitable. If it does not play out, then you let it go. If it enters and gives you your trading system, your strategy, you see all criteria, um, it's printed there on the charts. You take your trade and make money. Okay, so now you can see we did all that, and we knew that markets would be selling from that point all the way down again. So what did we do? We can go back to maybe 15 minutes time frame to see the momentum, the market momentum. Sorry. You guys need to subscribe to this video. You see what I'm to my channel. You see what I'm doing, and like this channel, like this video. It's not easy, guys. You wake up here, you come here to give people this knowledge, share their knowledge, a bit of what God has blessed you with, and it's not easy, trust me. So we are in strong. This is our period. This is our season. This is our season. Winning streak. Confirm. They hear me. Winning streak. We are winning all our signals for so many signals now straight up for days now. We've been winning all our signals. My people are winning. They are cashing out $40. They make $200 withdrawal. If you check the channel, just check the description box to join the free Telegram channel. You see testimonies. You confirm it yourself. All right. So yeah, you need to join the VIP. You need to join the academy. You need to learn. 2024 shouldn't close like this without you having the real knowledge. You must not learn from me, learn how to analyze from me, but make sure that you learn price action. It's the only way out. Whether you're trading boom and crash, VIX, currency, cryptocurrency, wherever you're trading, you need to learn price action. Know how what is happening. If market spikes from a certain price, what's the reason? Why did the market spike? That's what we want to know. So everybody needs to learn this. Okay. So yeah, now on the 15 minutes time frame, we want to see if market has losing momentum. Okay. We don't want to see that bullish pressure because you see market was moving really strong to the upside. We want to be sure that we have sellers in the market. We want to see design that um, sellers are in the market, right? So what we need to do, we need to wait patiently for market to start uh, dropping, the bullish volume to start dropping. All right, gradually, then you see some sign like you see this evening star. We have evening star here. We have an evening star. We have the first bullish, sorry. We have an evening star. We have the first bullish candlestick, the second bullish candlestick, and the third bearish candlestick. This three candlestick formation, it's a strong candlestick formation. So the thing is, you must have an ideal chart pattern, candlestick. All this stuff you cannot just, I don't know. I don't have to emphasize too much. So yeah, after this three candlestick confirmation, I opened a position there. You see what happened? Market did not even stay for a while. There was a massive spike, and it's gonna spike more and more. At least we are in good profits now with 0.5. I think we've made like, let me see, with 0.5. Look at that, we've made over $16 each position. So let's say you open 10 positions, how much would that be? How much would that be? So the image is right here, guys. As simple as that. Make sure you watch this video over and over to know or to be able to do what I'm doing now. Okay. You need to watch it more than 10, 20 times. I'm not joking. I'm not joking. The more you watch, the more you get better understanding. But don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to share with other guys. Let everybody watch and make money. Let's make money. Let's grow. We've been wasting money so much in this market. The entire forex market, we've been wasting money. Market has been taking so much from us, so it's our own turn. And secondly, when you're trading, please put away emotion. How do you put away emotion? You need to reduce your lot size. You need to reduce your risk. Work on your risk. If you work on your risk, there's the way you hold a position for a very long time that you didn't even remember you entered the trade. That's what I mean. That's what I'm talking about. You could sleep at night without waking up 10 times to check your trade. If you are in that level, that's kind of position where you hold a position for 2 3 days without panicking, that means your psychology is you're fixing up your psychology gradually. So the only way we can do that is reducing your risk. If you can reduce your risk, bro, 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 you won't be having all the sleepless nights. You won't be complaining. You won't be calling mentors scammers and saying forex is a scam, because what really affects the market is psychology. And the psychology issue now, this syndrome now, it's just about um risk management. If you know you do proper risk management, you make so much money. You'll be able to hold a position like VIX 75. I've been holding VIX 75 for good 2 days, from $3 to $1,800, right? That's because I risk very little amount of money. So I don't really care how much. If it goes against me after, it's just $3, right? That's it. So you see, that's the idea. That way I will not be panicking and start thinking, oh, what's up? If this market goes against me, I'll be losing $200, $300, $1,000. So I don't have that fear. It's just $3. It's just like when you're staking, you're playing white bets. You put 1,000 naira. As a Nigerian, you put 1,000 naira hoping to make 300,000 naira or 100,000 naira. You won't be disturbed. Whatever happens, you is either you cash out or you wait, it delivers, or market takes, the game takes your money. That's it. So you need to have that mindset, gambler's mindset. You give it, and whatever comes out, you take it. So I think that will be all for now. A word is enough. We are in deep profit, guys. Join the team. Let's make money together. The message is right here.